Hello, welcome to English for Everyone, where we practice real-life American English. Today we're going to learn to avoid an important mistake, so let's get started. Today we're looking at these two things. To express obligation, you can say I have to or I'm supposed to. Remember, with supposed to, you need the verb to be. I am. I'm supposed to. And they both express obligation. Have to is a little stronger, and supposed to is not as strong. Example, if I say I have to go to work today, it's an obligation. It's strong. I have to go to work today. But if you say I'm supposed to go to work today, I could call my boss and say I'm sick, but I'm supposed to go to work today. But they both express obligation. So I can say he has to go to work today. And I can say he's supposed to go to work today. Remember, it's he is supposed to. When you hear it together, he's supposed to, you don't really hear the is because you have the S. He's supposed to. But there is the action is. He is. He's supposed to. Pronunciation, he's supposed to. He's supposed to go to work today. It's an obligation. Also, don't make this mistake. I cannot say don't supposed to or doesn't supposed to. You're using the verb to be. He isn't supposed to or he's not supposed to. You're not supposed to. You are, together, you're. You're not supposed to do that. I cannot say you don't supposed to do that. Use the verbs am, is, and are with a negative not. In the present. Let's practice. Does he have to go to work today? That's right. He has to go to work today. Let's practice with supposed to. And remember, the pronunciation, supposed to, supposed to. To is not a stressed word, so we pronounce it like that. To, relaxed. Supposed to. He's supposed to go to work today. Let's practice. Is he supposed to go to work today? That's right. He's supposed to go to work today. Now, here's the part where people get confused and make mistakes. If I change these to past, they are different. They're not the same. If I change have to the past, he had to. He had to go to work yesterday. And if I change supposed to the past, I use the verb to be, was. He was supposed to go to work yesterday. These are different ideas. If I say he had to go to work yesterday, that means he did it. And if I say he was supposed to go to work yesterday, that means he didn't do it. They are very different. Example, he had to go to work yesterday, so he couldn't go to the party. But if I say he was supposed to go to work yesterday, that means he didn't go to work. He did something else. Maybe he went to the party, or maybe he stayed home. He probably stayed home. Let's practice. Did he have to go to work yesterday? That's right. He had to go to work yesterday. That means he did it. It was an obligation and he did it. Let's practice. Was he supposed to go to work yesterday? That's right. He was supposed to go to work yesterday, but he didn't do it. He stayed home. Now let's talk about the future. Let's change these to the future. I will have to buy a new car next year because my car is very old. Right now, I have to. In the future, I will have to. You can change it to future. I will have to buy a car next year because my car is very old. What about supposed to? I'm supposed to. In the future, I will be supposed to. No, we don't do that. There's no future for supposed to. I'm supposed to do it today, or I'm supposed to do it next week. It doesn't change. Use the same form for the present and to express the future. Don't use will. So remember, in the present, they are very similar, almost the same. They express obligation. I have to do it today, or I'm supposed to do it today. Obligation, almost the same. But in the past, I had to do it, that means I did it. But if I say I was supposed to do it, that means I didn't do it. It was an obligation, but I didn't do it. And remember, there's no future for supposed to. I'm supposed to do it today, or I'm supposed to do it next month. It doesn't change. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to become a member, click the join button. And we'll see you next time.